first in the kaikanga, she called you in, and it's like giving you blessing as you guiding you onto our school. And
this is your school as well, once we have finished here, so welcome. We want to make your time here as enjoyable and as informative as we can.
I'm Sonia and I'm the teacher of Somani Memorial School. I have a group of 10 students with me who've come here to see your college and understand how the study pattern is here in your country. And we have a very, very short performance, the Bollywood dance.
From Somani Memorial School, Mumbai, India, and it's been a wonderful program. My students have got a wonderful experience of being at the homestays here and enjoying the school program.
For me, was really nice was the school. So the school are really open, and I think in India this should also be implemented. So yeah, this is something really nice about this trip. Actually, everything was nice.
It was a very good experience.
I'm looking forward to join the universities over here. The schools over here, they're also very good, and they basically are very different from India.
This experience was very good. I had a very good time in New Zealand.
It's fun at this experience program. I suggest everyone should, once in a lifetime, should go on this trip.
Indeed, is wonderful for them to see the different kind of subjects they have, the different choices they have, and I'm sure this is going to give them a pathway in future to choose what they want to do in life.
Once in a lifetime experience, for sure.
Where they will be in classes of their choice, they will be doing subjects of their choice, and they would experience the way of life of New Zealand, a country with open minds, open hearts.
Contact NZEA today to study in New Zealand. info@nzea.in